Time out. Here you go. Go.
Chloe comes to Harold's defense, eh? That's hilarious. Comes up here, hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's up, Chloe? What's up, Chloe? Harold's doing his duty. Maui, get away from the poo-poo.
Maui, out. You done, Minnie? Maui, come to home. Go home.
Harold! Harold! What are you doing, buddy? What you doing? Hey? Hey, Maui.
Charlie, you gonna behave?
Yeah, Maui's being a good boy now. Good.
Charlie, don't even start.
What's up, Chloe? What's up, Chloe? No, no, no. Hey, hey, he's eating the poop over there.
Hey, get out of there. Oh, there's my wife. Charlie!
Oh, I guess you're right. Harold's the ref, eh?
Yeah.
Harold's like, yo,
Yeah.
I'll tell you how things are going.
Oh, yeah.
He's small, but he's got a lot of power, you know?
Yeah, the little dog.
Yeah, Harold's the ref.
That was so funny. Get away from me.
Like, you're not going to step out of line with me, mister.
Yeah, he's so cute.
And he's 11 years old.
Wait, both of them? Are they both 11? Charlie?
Charlie's 11.
Okay.
How old is Harold?
9.
9. Oh, he's getting up there, so he's an old man too, right? Like, don't fart around with me.
Bear, leave him alone while he's drinking.
I've been around too.
Bear.
Oh, here's another one. You got them both to come, eh?
Charlie!
Charlie, Harold doesn't want you to lick his nuts.
Charlie! Charlie! Man, I love how Harold does it though.
Charlie!
He doesn't get aggressive, just
What?
yeah,
Charlie!
get the fuck out! Get the fuck away! It's like no one have the like when there's Ricky Dog and have like an English caption going over it. Yeah.
Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out of my way!
It's so funny.
Charlie!
It is long ears.
Harold's not putting up with it, eh? It's like, listen.
Harold, that's a perfect name for that though. It's so cute.
Oh. There goes Chloe.
Oh. Telling him, man.
I guess you don't have to worry about Harold, eh?
Yeah, I guess
It's
sometimes.
like, how much do I got?
I scared the shit out of him.
You're going poop now. You scared to poop right out of him, Harold? Jesus, Murphy. So much power in such a little man.
Charlie, you're gonna go.
Look at all the attention's off you, eh, Bear?
That scared you, eh? Yeah, that's so funny.
Bear and Chloe. And then here comes Maui. Yeah. Maui. Hey, no.
Hey, stop molesting my dog.
He's gonna do it again. Maui.
Now we're gonna go back in the pen, bro.
Oh, we got Larry and Maui acting up. You be good. Hey,
Bear,
you be
gotta
good.
keep doing that.
No.
You should take lessons from Harold.
Look, he's going right back,
Stop
eh?
fucking my dog. You won't do it again, will you? You won't do it again. He's good. He's good. He's good. He's good. You got this.
No, it looks like he's gonna do
he's
it
good.
again.
He's good. He's good. He's good.
Charlie, Maui!
I have faith. I have faith.
Don't I'm telling you.
Why did he sniff the tip of the people? Like, that's so weird. Here, puppy.
Maybe he knows you got to operate on. There he goes.
Not again.
Come on, man.
Come on. You guys are going home. Come on, puppy.
Now he's gotta go to the
Josh,
swimming
you gotta put some. He's got.
hole. He's gotta go to the swimming hole. He's got doggy jizz on him now.
Yeah, he's got something on him.
I'm not touching him.
Charlie, come. Let's go.
I think you should leave him alone, Charlie. You're not gonna have your way. Keeps trying, eh?
Come on, fucker. Go ahead, let's go.
Charlie, he's even got Chloe coming now. He doesn't let him go, eh?
And it's funny. He gets annoyed. Have you seen Snickers in here?
No.
Sneakers. Well, Sneakers does that to him, and he freaking hates it. And I keep on telling him, well, you do it to other dogs. Hey, enough. Time to go home. You guys been here long enough.
Well, have a good day. Good luck.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's any little dogs in your neighborhood missing. I'm just wondering.
Yeah, he looks well fed.
Yeah. And both those dogs seem to want to have their way with other ones.
Minnie.
This one's cute.
And then you got the girl of the family, and she seems to be all right.
Come here, Minnie. Dog style. Just chilling with the other puppies.
Harold, eh? Just means business. All right.
Minnie, home time? No,
Chloe's
not lay
just
down
along
on
for
your
the
stretch.
ride.
Come on, home time.
Bear, sorry you had to go through that.
Come on.
Hang on.
Come on, Minnie.
Look at you guys in prison over there. Huh? Are you in prison?
Minnie.
You can't be having your way with dogs like that.
Harold's trying to push his lead around now. I don't think it's sore out though.
What's up, Harold? What's up, Harold? Hey? You're not messing around today, eh?
Come on. Home time.
See you later, man.
Bye.
He used to be a stud, so he's used to having dogs.
Look at you, eh?
Honestly, Bear, you gotta learn from Harold.
Hey.
You're a good boy, you know, but
Harold's the ref, all right.
Hey.
And that's Chloe.
Come on, guys.
Go get some water, Bear. Go get some water.
Bear, you want some water?
Maui.
That's actually really cool that they have that up here.
Look at you. Look at you. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, eh? We should call you a killer. We should call you a killer. Hey? Yeah. Did you tell him? Did you tell him, eh? Hey, Harold? Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me.
Just living his best life.
Look at Bear. I don't even want to I don't know what to think, man. This guy's fucking nuts. And he's already had a few traumatizing things happen to him, so he's like, I don't know what to think anymore. Some little Great Dane, miniature Great Dane humped me, and
No, it was a greyhound.
or something, I don't
There's
know.
there's no such thing as a miniature Great Dane.
I don't know, but it was a weird looking dog, and if that little thing could scare him up, then he's in jeopardy.
Chihuahua.